Workers injured on the job but ignored by their employers is a common problem I deal with almost every day. Fortunately, there are options to get around this that don't necessarily even involve hiring an attorney. Hello friends, my name is Ruben Espinoza. I'm a workers' comp attorney and I represent claimants all over Southern California. There are three important things I want you to keep in mind if you find yourself in this situation. The first is your employer is obligated within 1 business day of you letting them know that you injured yourself on the job and you need medical treatment to authorize that treatment at no cost to you. Now, what you want to make sure though is you want to let the employer know that you not only were you injured on the job, but that your medical treatment needs exceed that of first aid. Simply letting them know, I need to see a doctor, I need to go to the hospital is sufficient. The second thing to be aware of is you should report your injury in writing. The ideal way of doing this is officially through a DWC-1 claim form, which can be found online. I'll link to that description in the comments of the video. Now, beyond that, you want to make sure that the reporting is done in writing. So if it's not a DWC-1, at the very least, make sure that you email your employer, letting them know you've injured yourself on the job and you need medical treatment. A text message is also fine. But we want documentation so that in the event that the employer comes back and says, this was never reported to me, you have that in writing and that's going to help your claim. The third thing I want you to keep in mind is even if you do all these things and the employer still ignores you, there's the option of filing your claim directly with their insurance policy. All employers in California are obligated to post workers' comp information along with other information in a conspicuous place at the workplace. This should include who their workers' compensation carrier is and a telephone number or contact information for the person that you would be eligible to contact in the event of a work injury. This is information that also needs to be provided to new hires in your company. So if you get an employee handbook or any onboarding documents, you might find that information there in your file. The third thing is, even if you can't do any of that, there is still the option of asking the Workers' Compensation Appeals Board at their Information and Assistance Office for them to look up who your employer's workers' compensation carrier is. That information is reported to the state, so the state has a database of all workers' compensation insurance policies on file. That way, you can file your claim directly with their insurance company and bypass your employer altogether. Friends, at my firm, we've helped thousands of workers get the workers' compensation benefits that they're entitled to. If you find yourself needing assistance in this area, please contact me, 213-228-3232. You can also message me through Facebook. We'd be happy to talk to you, and we don't charge anything for the consultation. Thank you, friends.